Hi, today we are going to see the demo for farmer EC application. So the objective of the application is to provide the information for the farmers like crop informations, news informations and the solutions for the diseases for the crops. So these are all the three main modules, and other than that we have extra modules. We will see that. So we will see first what are all the delivery files for the project. So you will be getting the complete Android source code, the Android src file. So you can see the src folder in the Android Studio. So the www folder is the source code file. So once you expand it, you can see the coding. So the front end will be HTML and CSS and Bootstrap. So you can see the front end designs over here. So this is the front end files, and the back end files will be the JS files and PHP files. So we are using Angular JS, Angular JavaScript to develop the application over here. So we are developing using Angular modules. Okay, and the backend part we are using for the server side, we are using the PHP. So you can see the PHP codings file. So this is the backend file, and for the database part we are using MySQL. So PHP MyAdmin, the MySQL will be the backend database. So first we will see how to start the project. So I will from the scratch I will open the project. So first you have to open the XAMPP control panel. Just open it. So once you open the XAMPP, you will be having this window. So here you have to start this Apache and MySQL, start Apache and start MySQL. So once it started, so you can click on the admin button of MySQL. Once you click it, it will promote you to the web browser of backend MySQL. So this is your backend database. In the left hand side, you can see your project DB, that is Farm EC, and once you select it, you can able to view all the tables over here. Okay, so for example, if you want to see the registered user registration detail, just select the login table. You can able to see who are all registered to this app. Okay, so if you want to see the complaint detail, you can just select the complaint table. You can able to view the complaint module, and so for each modules you can able to view the each database will be there. So once you register any database over here, so it will be stored in the MySQL. So this is MySQL, and second you have to open Android Studio. So search for Android Studio in your PC and open it. So once you open the Android Studio, you will be having this window. So by default as Android src will be there, and here you have to open the AVD manager. So there will be a device manager will be there. So it will be usually it will be in the below the my minimize button. So here for me here it is there. So open this device manager, it will promote you to this window. So this is the device manager. So select your Nexus 1 device and click on the run button. So already my emulator is started. So usually there will be a run play button will be there. Just click on the run button. So it will promote you to the emulator over here. So it will take some time, like 10 to 30 seconds. So you have to wait for it. And in the home page itself, you can see your app. So Farmer EC app. So here we have two modules. One is administrator and farmer. So first we will start with the admin module. So let's start with the admin module. So the credential for the admin and the user will be available in the readme file. So in your project root folder, there will be a readme file will be there. So here we have given you the user module login and admin module. So for a user, you can register n number of users. Okay, so you can user registration, and also you can able to run the project in web view also, web application also. If you got the project source code for Android and web application, so you can able to run it. So if you copy this URL and put it in the web browser, so it will be running in the web browser also. Okay. So let's go for the admin module. The admin module is admin@gmail.com. Password is test. So once you log in as a admin, you will be having all these modules over here. Okay. So you can able to manage the complaints. So whatever the any disease pest complaints, so it will be coming over here, and you can able to add or delete the categories for the plant information. So you can provide the farmer information in crop information over here. You can able to update and delete, and you can provide the updates in news, and you can able to add the agri office, the government office for the to help the farmers, and you can able to view the feedback from the users, and you can see the registered user details. So these are all the modules. So we will come one by one. So if you go for the complaint module, so you can able to view the complaint image. So it is not uploaded, I think. So you can see the crop name and what is the crop type, okay, and what kind of disease they got, like they got the black spot disease, and is there any precautions like that. So what the admin will be doing is admin will be updating the status, whether for what reason it is has came, and they will be updating the status to on progress to completed, and they will be providing you the reason. So what kind of reason, on what are the medicines you have to follow, and what are the solutions. Okay, so this update will be done from the admin side. So whatever the problem you have updated, so the admin will provide you the solution for it. So this is the complaint module, the first module. And the second thing is category. So you can add n number of categories over here. So go to the category. So previously I have added like 2-3 categories over here. So if you want to add a new category, go to the add category, and you can able to name your category and browse your image over here. So to upload the image to the emulator, so that part will be different. So what you have to do is to upload the image. So download the square image from internet. It should be 1x1, and select this image and drag and drop to the emulator like this. So you have to drag and drop to your emulator, and you can able to upload the image from here. So this is how you can able to upload a new image in the emulator. So I am creating a new module called Brinjal. So you can search it. So now the new category has been created over here. So for these categories you can provide the solutions for the farmers. So that is what we are creating a category over here. So the main module is the crop information. So go to the crop info. So here the admin will be providing the crops name, okay, complete crop information, okay, and you can choose the categories. Just now we have created a brinjal as a category, so you have to enter the information like brinjal, what kind of seed it is, and which soil it is recommended for, and water recommendation, and farming mechanism, and the production of crop production modules, and then what are all the deficiency symptoms, and harvest, how much yield you will be getting, and the cost of cultivation. Okay, so once you provide the information, it will be created. You can view all the information in view module. So I have previously created this thing like groundnut, oil seed, so the crop type and soil type, water irrigation is weekly, and how to handle this mechanism, and how to protect your crop, and what are the deficiencies, and how much acre it will be, like 1 ton per acre, and how much cost for it. So if you want to update it, you can click on the update, and you can edit the details. So if you want to edit the price or any information, you can still update it. If you don't want this crop, you can delete and create a new crop. So you can create n number of crops from the admin side, and you can provide the information like news update. So for example, if there is any vaccination camp for animals, so you can provide informations or news channels updates or any free screen related things. You can able to add the news informations over here. So I have added one news over here, so you can add the news module, and you can provide the nearby agri office. So usually there will be agri office will be there for each area. So you can go to the add agri office. So you can provide the officer name, category, address, location, phone number, and all. So whatever you create, it will be available in the view agri office. So you can able to update or delete or any field you can able to do over here. So you can customize your agri officers, and you can see the feedback. So whatever the feedback for your solutions, they will be providing you the feedback from the farmer side, and you can able to view the farmer user details. So who are all registered to this app, it will be visible. So as of now only one module is there. So I am just logging out from the admin module. So I am just logging as a farmer. So go to the farmer. If you are a new farmer, go to the create account and you can register a new account and you can sign up over here. So I am just logging with as a farmer. So I have already created this module, this login, like user@gmail.com, password is test, login successful. So once you log in as a farmer, you can register the complaint for your pesticide problems or any crop problems, okay, and you can see the status for it, and you can find the crops, you can see all information about your crop, and you can find your agri shops over here, and then you can see the news. So whatever the news provided from the admin side, you can see it. So these are all the three main modules. So if you are going to create a disease module, go to the new complaint and you can write your complaint over here. So crop name, crop type, so how much duration, what kind of disease you got, and what are the symptoms you are having. So you can provide your problem, and once you applied it, so they will be seeing it, and you can able to upload your they will provide you the reason. So it is because of climate, it is a fungicide medicine and you have to apply this on, okay. If you want to, once you create your complaint, you can upload your image also. So go to the upload image. So browse it. So I am just uploading an example image, so it will be uploaded over here, okay. Yeah, so it is loading slowly. Yeah, the image will be uploaded, so you can see the image. So the admin will see your problem with your statement and with your image, and they will be providing you the reason and medicine solution over here. And you can find the crop information. So in the find crop, you can able to view all the crop details, like, so there will be categories will be there, like brinjal, oil, like that. So for example, I have provided the information for oil seed only. So if you select this category, so all the oil seed category options will be coming up. So you can see the details for oil seeds. So if you go for all crops, you can find without any search category, you can search by any field, like price wise, type wise, name wise, you can search over here. So both are same model only, and you can view the nearby office in the agri shop. So you can search by your address wise, pin code wise, you can search it, or if your office is not available, you can click on the nearby agri shop. It will promote you to the Google map. So directly in Google map, you can able to view the nearby agricultural office. So it will take some time to load. So if it is web application or mobile app, it will be faster, but in the emulator it will be slower only. It's still loading. Yeah, so I can able to see the nearby agricultural development office of government. So you can click and able to see over here, and you can view the news modules. So just now we have added a vaccination, so that information is visible. So and you can able to see your my profile. You can able to update or delete your username or password over here, and you can, if you want to provide your feedback, so select the feedback and write your name, and your feedback over here. So you can write your feedback, it directly goes to the admin. And if there is any doubts, so you can reach the helpline directly. So the admin has provided the email ID and mobile number. So if you click this mobile number, automatically it will go to your dialer, so you can make a call from it. And if you click the email, so it will promote you to the email box, okay, directly. Okay, so this is what the explanation for the Form UC app. Thank you.